MLA ke NPP na Jirang constituency ubah sustenance sotun ulawan ra kamat yatai halor ke jingjaboh jangkal ha Byrnihat. Haba kerana kedorbar mang tega ubah sustenance sotun ulong bang han Byrnihat kelawan ka kerdan ke beningkong jong ke jingjaboh kal Markani kedai nama ke jingbon ki karkhana ki bahap ke jela Asam bat Meghalaya. Ulong ba ki breu ke Byrnihat kilamat ke jingya bandring mensiam dagal ke Jaboh. Ulong baga Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kala kang kerdap ya katuk kani ki karkhana. Barkani kapin syai kedar bagi karkhana kala penken ki kendon an aku rukom terekam joki. Ulong babun sien kalami ka jingsma kawa sniau na ki karkhana badan ki kap ba ki snutu ka jingsma jung ka kiat ka bami na ki karkhana. Barki pat ba kilamat ka jing e haduk menta. Kumta dei ban buah kamat e ka kot ka kia jung pat ba. Bad ula kentui ke sarkar bagadai ban liat ke beteng bad ban penbet ya kini ke jingjaboh jangkal ha Byrnihat. Haba jubab lor kini kamat Menteri Rangba konrad kongkal sangma ulong bagi sarkar ke ngewkhia bah lor kini kamat. Berkala syemi senjam ha kabedai batka. Ulong bagi air quality index kabala kedo bakal air kolong kebom khoi. Kadai kabala lum jingtip leng bag air quality monitoring system kabla nak office jangka Central Academy jangka State Forest Service Byrnihat ha Assam. Kabla penyang da Pollution Control Board of Assam, bat ya kena jingtip la penmi hak arpsan terik kula lengkot mentaka senam hajar arpusan. Ukan rat kongkal sangma ulong bakat kum ka jingtip jangki South ki monitoring station jangka Meghalaya ka State Pollution Control Board ke air quality index ha ubnai kala lengkot mentaka senam ke pynpaw ba kalong ke babiang bah hakilai tuli kijaka pakila don pat kijaka ki basyubiang hakathan badan ki karkhana ha Byrnihat Meghalaya. Uli itu ba ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kalalit jurip kensan ha kijaka ki badan ki karkhana bala syam bagla dan gejing penken ya ki kendon an ya ka bedai bat gejing penjabo ekal air. Bat ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kala ai notice kang kerdep ya ki hinyau tuli ki karkhana bat kala penjari ya ka environmental compensation ya arteli naki. Menteri Rangba ulong baban kenok bagi jingjaboh ke daerah Byrnihat kedai nama kejing don ki karkhana ki bah Meghalaya ni ki bah Assam. Kumtakan long ke ba ban kedau hendrai ke keberan kam kelong babro artli gejela kini terilang kam tam apdang ki Pollution Control Board. Bad uli tu bula pak kejing tok cu Menteri Rangba gejela Assam ha ka bedai bak kini kebenta halong kejing jaboh ke daerah ha Byrnihat. Ka bahap ha katan Meghalaya bad Assam.
So sir, what I would like to state here in the August House, many times that we could feel the very bad smell that emitted from the factories. Whatever factories, we don't know, because as reported for the last many months, the CMJ breweries is closed down, but still we could feel the very bad smell coming out from one of the factory as complained by the people. Sometimes we could feel the smell of beer, we could feel the smell of whiskey, we could feel the smell of local rice beer, but anyway, it's all very bad smell, sir. The Umyam Distillation Private Limited, which the people of those areas, they have made big complaint with regards to this very bad smell, sir. So I would like to put a note on this to the government that if any action can be taken for any factories who violated the rules and condition of the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board. Of course, people are suffering, and we still, up till now, we are suffering, sir. So health issues must be the top priority. So I would like to request the government for stern action and resolve the issue of pollution in the area of Byrnihat town. And some of the points which I would like to raise, sir, that the factories must install modern technology to control various types of pollutions. That is number one. Number two, factories compound must always be eco-friendly, and the authorities must plant more trees in and around the factory areas. And I would like to request the government to set up permanent branch office of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board at Byrnihat, and to appoint more staff in the office of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. So with these few issues, sir, I would like to request the Honorable Chief Minister to please help and resolve the pollution of Byrnihat town, so that we, the people of Byrnihat, will feel the confidence of living in our area.
Sir, also I would like to state that there were two, to summarize basically, that there were two different studies that have been conducted. Byrnihat being a border area and having industries on both sides of the border, there is certain level of pollution or activities from both sides. I think that is number one. So to say that it is only happening on Meghalaya's side or only happening on Assam's side would not be fair, and it would be difficult to really pinpoint that. So at the end of the day, the two state governments have to work together, especially the pollution boards. And I'm happy to inform you that I have written a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, requesting him for the same, that because of the air pollution control, air pollution quality and the AQI in Byrnihat, which happens to be a border area, the two states and the two pollution boards must work in proper coordination and collaboration. So therefore, this process also will start. As mentioned, sir, the AQI that was captured by the Assam Data Center, the Pollution Control Board, Assam, the machines that have been set up there, the data was collected from there, which showed the very poor quality. Our data, which was collected in the same month, reflected on an average that the air quality was satisfactory and moderate. But sir, as we are aware, depending on even small aspects like light shower or wind speeds coming in, the air quality could go up and down. At the end of the day, the point is that number one, the two states have to work together, and we have taken steps towards that. Number two, we have to do our part before we approach the state government of Assam or the pollution board of Assam, where we must take strict action against our own units which are flaunting the rules and laws. And I have already shared with the House that on four occasions, surprise visits were made, and when we found that certain units were flaunting the rules, we have given them closure notice, sir. I have the names of it, but I don't feel it's necessary for me to go into all of those details. And at the same time, sir, we are continuously monitoring this particular aspect. The suggestions that have been given by the Honorable Member, we will definitely examine all of them and try to see that whatever is possible, we will try to implement it. And I also take this opportunity to share, sir, with you and through this August House, a strong and a very firm message to all industrial units that are there in our state of Meghalaya, that the State Pollution Control Board is going to conduct surprise checks in many, many locations on a continuous basis. I have given a standing order to the Pollution Board that they must conduct surprise checks and take immediate action if the norms are not being followed. And we have already shown an example by closing down 7 units. This process will continue, the surprise checks will continue, and whoever is flaunting any rules and not following the norms, the government will take firm action against them, sir.